Hey all, it is Glam Rebecca here, and in today's video, I'm doing another 3-month unboxing of the Boxycharm boxes because I thought I had canceled it, and yet on the 1st of August, it charged my card again for 3 months, and I'm like, oh no, I canceled that in July after I got my last box. But it didn't cancel. So anyways, so I have another new box to unbox, unbeknownst to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. This is the August 2022 box. It says from dusk till dawn. The first product in here, which I was kind of excited to see, this is a Glow Recipe Avocado Milk Retinol Eye Cream. You know, I'm almost 42. This will be really nice to have to use at night, and it's Glow Recipe, so everybody like worries about their stuff. They're quite pricey. This little eye cream is $42, and it's in glass. Then I was shocked to see this. This is, oh shit, the heart just hit the floor. So it came in this box, and this is from a brand I don't own anything from. God, that thing's heavy. This is from NATASHA DENONA. This is the Cupid Eyeshadow palette. This retails for $48, which is odd because I thought these retailed for $25, but maybe it's the smaller ones that retail for $25. It is a very pretty, neutral, basic bitch palette. The shimmers are beautiful. There's 3 mattes, 2 shimmers. I don't know if I'll keep it or not just yet. I'm going to look and see if anybody else is selling this, and if so, if I can sell it because I need money right now. I will try and sell that for money, but I don't think it's $48. I'm going to have to look into that. The next thing is from AESTHETICA. This is the Starlite highlighter. It says this one retails for $25. The box is pretty and holographic. It says made in China. It says color is Cosmos Sparkling Rose. Actually, a really pretty color. Hold that thought. Somebody's calling me. This is a courtesy call from AT&T and I have been getting these spam calls from AT&T and Dish Network, and they say AT&T and Dish. So I don't know if AT&T bought out Dish or if they're like part of the company now or whatever. Because I know AT&T bought out or is it Apple? Apple owns like part of Spectrum or something like that. Anyways, so I've been getting these calls like 5 and 6 times a day, and I usually just hang up by the time I hear AT&T. Anyways, back to this. This is the AESTHETICA highlighter. It's really pretty. I hope it's not too dark. Watch, because this is really pretty. It definitely has a gold shift to it. You can see it. There you go. Very pretty. So that I'm definitely keeping, because you know, it's $5. Why would I not? And let's see. The next thing in here is from Qveen Studio. Qveen, which is odd. The light just came back on. Bow Down Brow Glue. This retails for $16. Command your brows with this easy to use, non-sticky. It's a little. I don't know what the hell that's called. It almost looks like a dragon. Yeah, it's an Ouroboros dragon with another dragon intertwined with it. So it's just a little thing of brow gel, which is nice, you know. Never having their brow gel, so I will keep that. And then the last item in here is from Basic Beauty. It looks like Basic Beauty on the box. Gel Lip Liner Duo. These gel lip liners are creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. They smoothly glide onto the lips and blend with little to no effort. This MSRP for $24, and they're like 2 versions of like brown, one's warm, one's cool. There's a nice tip on it. It's not a twist up, so it's a sharpened one. Doesn't smell bad, so that's a nice thing. That one's definitely a reddish shade. It's in the shade Latte. This one's in the shade Cocoa. So I don't wear lip liner. I would probably use them as like eyeliners, but I don't need those, so these are gonna go. Well, I know they came out of here, but now they won't go back in. Hello? What's wrong with you? Why won't you fit in your box? I wonder if it's caught on the bottom lip. Interesting. Okay, now they're in. Let me close one side and then close. Well, maybe I don't know. Now they don't want to go back to the box and I just like, I done broke it. Anyway, so these I'm going to get rid of. So that's 2 items out of this box. I'm going to get rid of the NATASHA DENONA eyeshadow palette, even though I don't have anything from that brand and I'm intrigued. I have 2 dupe palettes. 2 dupe palettes of her brand. And I hear amazing things about it. It's just that color story is not something that I know I would wear, so I would rather try and sell it and earn some of the money back to the box than whatever. And I will make sure that that is $48 before I even list it for sale, but I'm not going to sell it for free. And I'm going to try and sell it for a more reasonable price, because these boxes I think are almost $30 now. They were initially $21, and then getting them at 3 months at a time, I save a little bit of money. But so I'm keeping 3 items out of this box: a $42 eye cream, a $25 highlighter, and a $16 brow gel. And the other 2 I'm going to try and sell. So yeah, all in all, I mean, keeping 3 items out of this box I think is good for me. I don't want to the first couple of boxes I got from Boxycharm were not that great, but so far box 2, 3, and this one makes 4 now have been pretty okay. I think the second box I only kept 1 item out of it, but it was more than enough to cover the cost of the box. So I kind of weighed pros and cons, and did not anticipate signing back up for another 3 months, because I thought I canceled it in July, and I guess the cancellation didn't go through. Oh, by the way, it doesn't work on my computer. I cannot log into Boxycharm on my computer to save my life. I can't use it on Firefox, and I can't use it on Chrome, and I do not have Edge, and refuse to reinstall it on my machine because I deleted it. And of course, there's no Internet Explorer anymore, so I have to use it on my phone on Safari in order to get their website to work. And they don't have an app, so I can't use that. And now that Ipsy owns them, I'm a little leery, because I have had some very negative interactions with Ipsy lately, which I will be filming next. So anyways, I am Glam Rebecca. The next part of this that you will see will be the September box, and then I'll do the October box, and then I'll decide at that point whether to cancel it or keep it. I don't really need a charge monthly right now, or even every 3 months, because of the fact that I am out of work and have been for a month now. And unless I can find a way to recoup the cost of these boxes, I have no way to continue to fund them. So I will see you guys in the next part of this, which will be September's box in a few weeks. All right, see you then.
Okay, so I wanted to preface this by saying this is just this box. It ended up renewing on me, and I ended up getting charged like almost $30 more or $25 more on the auto renew, even after I canceled it the second time I've canceled it. So I noticed that they've increased their prices, and now the boxes are almost $30 each. And so with a 3-month subscription, you're not saving any money. The other thing is I didn't get my other box that I mentioned until like the end of the month for some reason. So I went ahead and waited until I did the Black Friday sale for Boxycharm, because I did get some stuff from that. So I have all of my information and whatnot for that already filmed. But because that is going to be a huge video with multiple months, I think it has September, October, November, and December's box, as well as the Black Friday stuff that I bought. I did a whole new video with just that, so I'm not going to include it here. So this is just this month's box. And I will leave all of the links and everything down below, as well as what these retail for and where you can check them out on my website and or any other platforms that I am currently selling on. And if you're interested in buying them, but you don't like the price, especially if it's on my website, send me a message and let me know what you're willing to pay for it. Because there are some items that I would really just like to get out of the house. If I can recoup some of the money of the cost of the box, that would be great. I am starting a second job here in about a month because I'm not earning enough at my first one to make our bills, so I need to pick up more work somewhere. So keep that in mind when sending me price offers and stuff like that, because I just need to make sure that I cover the cost of the box. And here are some photos of some of the items in like the boxes I've gotten recently and or the stuff that I got in the mystery boxes that I bought. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and close this one out here. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.